Hello everyone. So many of my friends have been saying it's been a long time since we upload a drone video. Well, today we are finally doing it. I am heading to a beautiful beach that's right next to the mountain, and from there I will be flying my drone. We are almost there, and to reach the top, we will hike all the way up. Once we get there, we will launch the drone and capture some amazing views of the city. Right now, I am in Dalian, China, a stunning coastal city surrounded by a sea and hills. We have started our hike and we will already halfway on the top. The higher we go, the more beautiful scenery becomes. Once we reach the mountain peak, I will fly the drone and show you the breathtaking view of the Dalian city. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please make sure to do that now so you don't miss more videos like this. Alright, now it's time. Let's launch the drone. Here we go, and look at that. Right in front of us is a beach, and stretching across the sea is a massive bridge. It goes nearly 6 kilometers into the ocean. This is called the Xinghai Bay Bridge, of Dalian's most famous landmark. From above, you can see the stunning coastal views. With the city skyline in the distance, the waves are calm, the sky is golden, and the whole city glowing in the sun becomes too set. Giving the whole place a peaceful cinematic vibe. As the evening falls, the light from the building and cars start to shimmer. Now we are flying the drone over the bridge, and you can see the traffic moving along the both levels. Yes, it's a double-deck bridge, built right over the sea. It's a masterpiece of modern engineering, and from the air it looks absolutely incredible. And with that, we all wrap up today's video right there. Above this beautiful bridge, the sun is setting and it's time to bring the drone back before it gets dark. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming adventures and more cinematic drone shots like this. See you in the next one. Take care and peace out.